teaching you how to make slime today. I already made a few. I made 3, but I mixed 2 in this one. I mixed a glitter slime with glitter in it. And then I mixed a regular white slime, but I added some pink color. Stretchy. And then I have this one slime. I made this one with clear in it for my crunchy slime. I have more slime in my house. So I'll be making another slime, a purple glitter slime. I'm just gonna get the clay out of this.
Larissa, have you got your keys, sis?
Have my little set here. So I'm gonna pour my glue in. I want to make this one glow. So this is glow in the dark. And I also have another glitter glue. So I might make that. So first I'm going to pour the glue in. I don't think I'm gonna put now I'm going to, I guess I'll put some of this in it, and then I'm not going to put it really like a lot, because I don't get the slime off of it. I'm going to mix it. It's a really pretty color. Put this next to me. Some starch. I'm going to put a little bit more of that in there. I don't want to put too much because I don't want it to be like really glowy. But I'll test it out and see how it looks. So see how it made it like a little white purple? Okay, so now
out this just garbage?
No.
This is.
It's gonna need this. I need some more glue. It's very sticky. Mommy, can you add some supply to this? So this is the glow in the dark slime. I'll get some glow in the dark in it. Very sticky. Mommy, I need more. Ew. It's very pretty though. Very hard with that. Very sticky. Oh well.
You need more?
Yeah. No, Mommy! Fix that. It's gonna get stuck together.
Oh my goodness.
It's fine. I can't get it off my hands. Oh. Why is it not sticky to you? You're getting too close together. So I'm just trying to get the form that I just needed off my hands so I can. Ew, I just stepped on glue. This is not working. Ugh. Huh? So I'm almost done. It's falling off the table. Almost done getting it done. But I will later on add some more color. Can you see, Mommy, can you add a little drop of so I'm just gonna add a drop of that. Shaving cream to make it thicker and stuff. It's gotten automatically thicker. To work out. Oh, did you see? He did a sad Blackfoot, he said. Okay, so now I just gotta keep kneading it there. It's not sticky, it's just like intestines, I guess.
Why is it like that?
I think I added too much before.
Can you put more glue in it?
I think I can get it, see?
Right here's a big chunk, see?
Yeah. It's like falling out because it's intestines.
Oh,
James! No! I'm making a video.